Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope, Sagittarius, December 14, 2024, Saturday. The strength, the tensile strength. You're physically strong to do it. So why not? Be an athlete or be a gymnast or anything to do with physicality. The going to the gym and surprises will give you that you still can lift a weight. And surprisingly, you will come to know that this is what your body needs. And you will be contented with the metabolism of your body.